Hello, welcome to UNGER. I'm Chem Techer, and today I'm going to show you the new nLITE water-fed telescopic pole system from UNGER. The nLITE pole system is exactly tailored to your needs, and I will introduce you to its unique features. I promise, nLITE will revolutionise your everyday work too. Let's go! The water distribution in the new nLITE brushes offers multiple options. An integrated nozzle block sits in the centre of the brush for powerful dirt removal. With its pencil jets, it delivers the necessary water pressure to the window pane. The RinseBar above the brush enables powerful rinsing of the clean surface. Similar to fan jets, a lot of water is sprayed onto the pane. The RinseBar can be used for cleaning and rinsing. To switch from the nozzles to the RinseBar, the hose on the brush can be repositioned in seconds. Due to the integrated hose routing, there is no danger of getting caught in corners. We recommend the RinseBar, especially in combination with the new swivel function. With the nLITE pole system, nothing stays the same. What are you waiting for? Contact your dealer now or join our demo days and experience the clever features of nLITE yourself. P.S. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see the latest feature and life hack videos on our new nLITE pole system on a regular basis.